Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Miguel's View. And today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin going to $1? What is going on with Dogecoin right now? Let's look at some resistance and some support levels, and let's see where Dogecoin is going after this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because you want to stay up to date with what's going on with Dogecoin. All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Miguel's View. And today we're going to be looking at the news. Let's see what's going on with Dogecoin before we take a look at the charts. And look at this. 3 hours ago, Fox Business said Ethereum has risen 10% in the last 24 hours, while Dogecoin has surged over 35%. Wow, so Doge is leading the way. CNBC says Dogecoin surges 30% to a record above 50 cents as speculative crypto trading continues. All right, Dogecoin hits new all-time high after eToro and Gemini listings. All right, so people want Dogecoin. Robinhood crypto trading crashed during the Dogecoin spike. Oh my gosh, Robinhood again having problems. But anyways, we're not here to talk about Robinhood. We're here to talk about Dogecoin and what's going on. Let's look at the charts. All right, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Now, remember, whenever I make the videos of Dogecoin and give you an update, I don't update the trend lines until we come back, so you can see exactly what's going on. And we talked about that if we broke above this trend line right here and we broke above this area of resistance, we were going to touch 50 and 55 cents and up to 60 cents. And let's go ahead and update them. All right. Look at that. Let's go ahead and bring them. All right. And then let's go ahead and bring this one over more. About yay. All right, you can see we have some room to run all the way to 66 cents right now. So everything going according to plan. If you've been watching my video series on Dogecoin, you could see, okay, that on Dogecoin, let's bring this a little bit down. Yeah, I moved it a little bit too much. You could see that Dogecoin has been following this upper trend line like a champ. You know what? Maybe it's hard to see purple. Maybe I just say change them to white. Is that better? Maybe I should change them to white. Yeah. Maybe you could see them a little bit better. But look, guys, we've been following this trend line like Dogecoin has been following it like a champ. Look, we bounced here, we bounced in this area, we bounced in this area, and we've just been bouncing off that area of support in that trend line. And that's what we want to see. So the good thing here is that the RSI made a higher high when we made this high. Okay, so we are Gucci scoochie. We're looking good. We're looking good. And if we go back to the 5-minute earlier on my day trading live stream, if you don't follow me on the day trading live stream, I trade penny stocks and crypto, all right, during the morning session. And I told them during the live stream, we have an RSI divergence here on the 5-minute, so expect a pullback. Okay, so what is that? All right, when we make a higher high but the RSI makes a higher low, right? So exactly what happened. We had a pullback, and I said, okay, expect a bounce at the last resistance area, all right, which is 49 cents, and we bounced right off that 49.50 cents area. So that would have been a great dip buy if you sold up here, or if you wanted to grab some more, or maybe you're not even in Doge and you want to get in Dogecoin. So everything looking good. Let's look at the 4 hour. I want you to see this on the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour RSI and MACD have just been riding up like a champ. All right, and now look at this. We broke above this uptrend channel. Okay, and we have room to go and touch that 67. And if it takes a little bit longer, we'll go to 70. But it's doing really, really well as the hype continues that Elon Musk is gonna be on SNL this Saturday. Can we get to $1? I think we can, but we have to follow the charts. Okay, we can't just say it's gonna get to $1 and just disregard the charts. Okay, because if charts break trends, guess what's gonna happen? Okay, people are gonna start selling. People are gonna get paper hands, and they're gonna let go. All right, and you're gonna stay bag holding. Now, if you say, "Well, I'm in it for the long term. I'm holding 5, 10 years," well then, props to you. You do whatever you want to do. Have your own plan. That's the beauty about trading. You need to have your own plan. Let's stretch this out. You need to have your own plan. You need to do your own due diligence. All right. So if you're holding, till it gets to $1, well then you do whatever your plan is, and don't let nobody tell you otherwise. You follow your plan. Okay. Now, if you're a technical trader, like I am, you look into those resistance lines and you pay close attention and make sure they break, and you pay close attention to those support lines and make sure they hold. Okay. So I told people, if you're watching my videos, if you're not in Doge, where can you get in? You get in when you're close to this trend line. That's where you want to get in. All right. When you're close to this trend line, you can start averaging in some Doge. All right. Is it too late to get in? Right now, yes. Okay. I think you gotta wait for a little pullback, at least back to 50 cent or the support area, and then get in. All right. Because if you get in now and you start selling, all right, a bunch of people get in right now, and then it starts dropping and they start selling. Guess what? Stock's gonna sell off more than it should. But if you wait for support areas, okay, you get in there. Not only are you gonna help the stock, okay, get support there, because volume is gonna start coming in with traders buying that support area. So right now, if you missed the train, wait for a little pullback, and then you can look for your entry. Again, this is not investment advice. Have your own plan, your own due diligence. I'm just giving you my view. I'm just giving you my ideas. I'm just giving you my technical analysis. At the end of the day, you have to have your own plan. All right. But at some point, I think we will come back and test this support. All right. If not 50 cent area and it breaks below, we're going to come and test this resistance that we couldn't break in like forever. Okay, but we finally broke it. So guess what? Now it's going to become support. So that is the good news. All right. Old resistance becomes new support. All right. So RSI on the 1 hour is looking Gucci. All right. We made a higher high with this high, which is a good indication that we are Gucci. All right. So other than that, if you have any questions, any comments, go ahead and leave them. Go ahead, leave them in the comments. Let me know if there's something else you want me to cover. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is falling down. You could see we drew a trend line here on Bitcoin in the 1 hour, and it's falling. So not looking too good on Bitcoin, but it has some support here in the 51 area. That'd be a good area to pick up some Bitcoin, okay, for a bounce up. So we have support as well here in this range at around 47 area. Okay, so let's look at the daily on Bitcoin or the 4 hour. Okay, MACD cross, RSI is coming down, so it should have a bounce, around this level right here. Should have a bounce. This MACD crossed over. Okay, yeah, we should bounce around this area. And let's look at the daily on Dogecoin. If you've been following my videos, okay, we were in some concern here because of MACD traders. Okay, what is a MACD trader? I'll tell you what a MACD trader is. There's people that trade specifically on the MACD. Okay, they sell when the MACD crosses below, and they sell when the MACD crosses above right here. I mean, they buy. Okay, they sell and they buy. So when we're here, it was a little concerning that we might sell, but listen, the volume kept strong. Okay, the candles, it made a doji, then we had a flat bottom, and then we just continue the uptrend. And when the MACD crossed here, I said, okay, be ready, because the MACD traders are going to come back and help us. All right, and that's exactly what happened. And you can go to the 4-hour, and the MACD never crossed. It wanted to here for a moment, but it held trend line. Okay, it held the trend. RSI held here. So a little bit overbought right now on the 4-hour. That's why I'm saying that we're gonna come back and we're gonna test this level. We're gonna test this RSI right here. As long as we stay above, we are Gucci. All right, but we are due back for a little. Every time the RSI is up this much, you need a little breathing room. Okay, it could keep going, and we could hit that 70 range, and then we'll come back. But there's no telling. Exactly what's gonna happen. Nobody ever knows. If somebody says, "Oh, I know exactly," nobody knows. Okay, we just play our technical levels. Is it gonna go to $1? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Okay, it could happen. It can listen. The market, okay, in crypto, it's all a game of probabilities. Okay, it's all a game of probabilities. It could happen. Now we play when the probabilities are in our favor. Okay, that's where we draw technical levels. That's where we draw support, because when it's in our favor, that's when we get in, because probability, it's in our favor. So that's how we play. We play smart, and I hope you play smart too. Now, if the trend continues upward, guess what? We're holding, baby. Diamond hands until we get to $1. All right. So if the trend continues in an upward momentum, then you diamond hand, baby. There's no reason to sell. Okay. Now, if it breaks all sorts of support levels, then at that point, listen, you do what you want. All right. If you want to steal diamond hands, then you do you, boo. All right. So it's all up to you. It's all up to you. You trade your plan. You do your own due diligence. Okay. If you're thinking this is going to go to 5 in 10 years, well, then, you do you. All right. In the meanwhile, we are looking good. All right. We're heading in the right direction. All right. To that $1 range. Okay. When we get there, if we keep going the way we're going, yes, we will get there. But we need to stay in this uptrend channel. We cannot break the support level, especially this 43 support. We need to stay above that. We cannot break that, because it took us forever. Not forever. It seemed like forever, because we want Dogecoin to get to the $1 rate. But hopefully this is not like at the April 20th, when it was Doge Day and then it just sold off. Okay. And when it comes near Saturday, on Friday and Saturday, it's going to sell off, because it's kind of like you play the hype, you kind of play the news, or you play the rumor and you sell the news type of momentum. But there's no telling what's going to happen. All I know is that right now we're heading in the right direction. So draw your trend lines, copy mine. Hopefully you're learning something. I hope I earn your like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think. Let me know your analysis. Do you think it's going to $1 before Saturday? Do you think, we're not going to get to $1? Let me know in the comments. Maybe you see something that I don't see. Okay. Let me know in the comments, and go ahead and smash that like button. Okay. And give me a subscribe so you can stay. I am new to YouTube. I am a full-time trader, have been, but I am new to YouTube. So hopefully you can show me some love and give me a subscribe and a like, and so I can keep doing these videos for you guys. It's fun, and I like to share my knowledge with other people, and friends that are just starting and they want to know some levels of where the stocks and crypto are going. So anyway, guys, till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.